to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Tuesday, July the 27th of 2021. I'm coming at you guys with a really cool announcement type video sharing something really exciting that I'm planning on bringing to my channel actually in the next less than a week. Like seriously, or less than 2 weeks. Yeah, less than 2 weeks away from the first one. And I'm super excited for this. I was on my live stream last week and Janice actually made a suggestion for me to do something like this and how she thought that'd be so helpful. And a bunch of people chimed in after her and were like, oh my gosh, I would love this so much if you would consider doing something like this. I had considered it, but I didn't think there'd be really a big interest in it. But so many people said that they would love it if I would do something like this. And so kind of was like, okay, well, it's worth a try. Couldn't hurt. I had several people say they would absolutely come. So I was like, why not go ahead and just try this? So starting in August, and I do want to say, I understand this isn't for everybody. Not everybody probably needs this or wants this. And so that's okay. I'm just announcing it to those of you who are interested in such a thing. Starting in August, I am beginning live couponing workshops on my YouTube. Or not on my YouTube, just for my business. These are actually not going to be on YouTube. They're going to be conducted through Zoom. I feel like Zoom is really good for classes because this is actually like a couponing class. This is not me talking and you guys commenting after the fact. This is going to be a live class where you guys can ask your questions as we're going through the topics. I want to me teaching you guys these things. And so I'm doing it on Zoom. That way we can have our cameras on. We can, chat. We can talk as it's going. You guys can be free to ask any questions. It's just going to be an awesome experience. So I'm going to actually be running 2 different workshops. The first one will be how to coupon. This is a crash course basically for beginners. This will outline everything, whether you're a person who's been couponing for 5 years or you've been couponing for 5 days. This class will teach you what you need to know to become a couponer. We're going to talk everything from couponing lingo, organization, store/coupon rules, coupon no-nos, and lots more. Every single thing you need to know about couponing is going to be taught in the class. You come out of this class and you'll be ready to go coupon. I guarantee that. So that is going to be the first class. Then there's going to be a second class. This one's a little bit more advanced. This one is, you get the basics, you understand the basics, but maybe you're a little intimidated by the rebate apps, or you don't quite understand how these rebate apps work, or you use them, but you don't know how to really utilize them to their greatest potential. That's what this class is going to be. This class is going to show exactly how to use all the apps, so exactly how to use it, how to contact the apps when things don't work out, and my tips on how to use these apps to get products as cheap as possible. So those are the 2 workshops that are available. There are 2 different opportunities for you guys to attend the workshops. I'll be running one Saturday, August 7th at 11 a.m. for the How to Coupon in 2021. And I'll also be running it the following week, August 14th at 7 p.m. So I'm giving you guys the option if you want morning or night. You can pick which one you want for How to Coupon. Same with maximizing rebate apps. If you're wanting the PM option, I'm running that August 7th at 7 p.m. If you're wanting maximizing rebate apps, that'll be available at 11 a.m. Eastern on August 14th. So those are options. There are several options, 4 sessions total. You can pick the day and the time that works best for you out of all 4 sessions. There is a sign up. So signing up is going to be really simple. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to send me over an email. You're going to say, hey, Nick, I want to attend. Let's say I want to attend How to Coupon in 2021. I want to come on Saturday, August the 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern. Boom. You're going to send that email to me at ohiovalleycouponer@gmail.com. I'm going to reply back to you, saying, hey, I got your name down that you want to attend. I will officially RSVP you when you send payment. I will walk you through the exact pay structure. It's super easy. We're just doing it with PayPal. Super simple, super easy. I'll give you step-by-step instructions for all that. And then once I receive the payment, I will RSVP. Now, I was very leery. This is one of the reasons I've never been too crazy about doing one of these, is I feel super bad even talking about payment because everything on my YouTube is free. But a bunch of people were like, Nick, you're totally worth it. The amount of work that will be going into these is I can assure you there's going to be hours and hours of work going into these on my part, making sure you guys are getting the best information available, handouts. I'm going to give you guys handouts. I'm going to go through step by step everything you need to know. I'm going to really put my heart and soul into it. So for that reason, there will be a fee associated with it, just like anybody's class would. It'll be, if you choose to attend one of the sessions, it'll be $20. If you choose to attend both, it'll be $30. So if you just want to attend either one of the sessions, it's $20. If you want to attend both, then I'm going to give you a discount and make it $30 for both. So that's a really nice discount. So you get your pick, whatever you want to do. Just specify in the email if you want both, if you want one, put that in the email and we'll get you squared away. Limited seating is available. I am limiting the class size to 10 to 12 per class because I want it to be small enough that you guys feel comfortable to talk and you feel comfortable to share your questions and comments and things like that. So I am going to limit the class size for that very reason. But it's still, with 4 sessions, there's lots of opportunities for you to get in. And if in the event this does really well and we sell out on all the sessions, I'll definitely do some more in the coming weeks. So you guys have an opportunity, anybody who didn't attend this time. I don't think that's going to happen, but if that does occur, then we will just do another session and maybe I'll do a wait list or something like that. But I'm so excited to do these sessions, live couponing workshops. Like I said, so many people requested it. That's why I mentioned it. If you're not into that, that's totally fine. I just wanted to mention it for those who were interested. So if you want to sign up today. Don't wait because like I said, limited seating available. Send that email to ohiovalleycouponer@gmail.com. I will tell me what class you want to attend and what day. I will send you a reply email back telling you how to pay and all that stuff. And upon payment, I will RSVP you for the class and send you the link to attend. And it's going to be epic, epic, epic. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to attend one of the sessions? If not, no worries. Stick around. Ohio Valley Couponer Kroger deals video will go up tomorrow, and that'll be super fun. And that's why I feel these are going to be so good because I do the deals and everything, but a lot of people don't know the foundation. And the foundation, I wish something like this was around when I was starting because I had so many questions and so much confusion. I didn't understand how all this worked. I would have loved to have a session where someone walked me step by step through it. And it would have made it so much easier in the beginning. So yeah, but I'm super excited for this. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.